Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be doing 75 plus question for RRB NTPC General Awareness, and the topic will be games and sports. And these questions will be all the previous year question plus some sample questions to give you an idea that what type of question comes in the exam. And as you can see, I have written the 3 as part 1 and 2 of games and sports is already there in our channel. And that has theoretical part like all the sports and its important term, it cups and trophies and famous personality, even on which ground it is played and what is the number of player in each team sport. So in this video we will be doing all the previous year question and sample questions for RRB NTPC. So let's see. The first question is, with which sport the term caddy is associated? So it is associated to golf. The famous player Ronaldo is associated with which of the following game? So Ronaldo is associated to football. So whatever your option is, go for football. Who was the first Indian woman to win an individual medal in Olympic? So C is Karnam Malleshwari and she got bronze medal. Okay. Dulip Trophy is associated with the game of cricket. How many players are there in Kho-Kho? So in field there are 9 players and total there are 12 players. Like while entering the field, 9 players play Kho-Kho. The term love is associated with which game? So it is associated with badminton. Wellington Trophy is associated to rowing. Navjot Kaur is associated with which game? So she is associated to Indian wrestling. She is a wrestler. With which game Thomas Cup is related? So it is related to badminton. The term butterfly stroke is used in, so it is a type of or form of swimming. It is used in swimming. Devdar Trophy is associated with cricket. Let's see the next question. Pentala Harikrishna is related to which game? So it is chess. He is a grandmaster of chess. With which sport the term egg beater is associated? It is associated to water polo. The famous player C.K. Naidu is associated with which game? So C.K. Naidu is associated to cricket. He is the first cricket captain and he was the captain of Team India for test match. Where is ice hockey played? So it is played in rink, not ring but rink. Stanley Cup is associated with the game of hockey. How many players are there in baseball? So there are 9 players in baseball. The term chakar is associated with which game? So it is associated with polo. Uber Cup is associated with badminton. Dudi Chand is associated with which game? So it is athletics. She is an athlete. With which game Santosh Trophy is related to? It is related to football. And gambit is a term used in chess. We Crack You provide free mock test for RRB NTPC exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You RRB NTPC free mock. Then click on the first link and start the mock. After that, once you submit the mock, you get a complete detailed analysis that what is your percentile, accuracy, attempt rate and even all the solution for the questions. Fulele Gopi Chand is related to which game? So he is very famous and he is famous for badminton. With which sport the term duck is associated? So it is cricket. That is when a player gets out with scoring 0, it is duck out. And even LBW is related to cricket. The famous player Dingo Singh is associated with which game? So it's boxing. Where is cycling done? So the path where cycling is done is called velodrome. Irani Trophy is associated with which game? So it is cricket. How many players are there in football? It is 11, and even in cricket there are 11 players. The term baseline is associated with which game? So it is again football. Aga Khan Cup is associated with hockey. Deepika Kumari is associated with which game? She is associated with archery. With which game Ijra Cup is related to, so it is related to polo. The term pole by is used in, so it's used in kho-kho, where two people are standing and here a few people sitting. These are pole bys, these are poles, and here the term is used, pole by. So after this we have Soma Biswas is related to which game? She is related to athletics, she is an athlete. With which sport the term stick and bully is associated? So it is hockey. The famous player Naran Karthikeyan is associated with which game? He is associated to car racing. Cricket is played in pitch. As you know, there is a ground and there is a pitch where batting is done. So cricket is played in pitch. Rover Cup is associated with which game? So it is football. How many players are there in basketball? There are 5 players. The term raid is associated with which game? So raid is associated to kabaddi. Asia Cup is associated with, it is badminton. Josna Chinnappa is associated with which game? So she is associated with squash. With which game Swating Cup is related? It is TT, table tennis, and the term let is used in badminton. Manika Batra is related to which game? She is related to table tennis. With which sport the term mallet is associated? It is polo. The famous player Srihari Natarajan is associated to, he is an Indian swimmer, he is associated to swimming. Where is baseball played? So it is played in diamond. As you know, the ground of the place where baseball is played, it's look like this, that is diamond shape, and if one runs in all the corner, it is home run. So even the term home run is related to baseball. Walker Cup is associated with the game of golf. How many players are there in rugby? There are 15 players. The term punch is associated with which game? We all know this, it's boxing. Winchester Cup is associated with, it is associated with polo. Anjali Bhagwat is associated with which game? She is an Indian shooter. With which game Davis Cup is associated to? It is associated to lawn tennis. The term regatta is used in, it is used in rowing. Shiv Kapoor is related to which game? He is related to golf. With which sport the term clamping is associated? So it is associated to wrestling. The famous player Geet Shetty is associated with which games? He is associated with billiards and snooker. Where is polo played? It is played in arena. Beckton Cup is associated with which game? So it is one of the oldest cup of hockey. So it is associated to hockey. How many players are there in polo? There are 4 players in polo, and in water polo there are 7 players. The term libero is associated with which game? So it is associated to volleyball. FIFA is associated to, so FIFA is a football World Cup, it is associated to football. Dhyan Chand is associated to, so Dhyan Chand is one of the biggest player of hockey, and on his birthday we even celebrate National Sports Day. So it's associated to hockey. With which game Derby Cup is related to? It is related to horse racing. The term bishop is used in, it is used in chess. Mahesh Bhupati is related to which game? So he is related to lawn tennis. With which sport the term home run is associated? So it is associated with baseball. The famous player Sakshi Malik is associated with which game? She is Indian wrestler. Where is boxing done? So it is done in ring. There is a boxing ring. Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. How many players are there in water polo? As said earlier, there are 7 players in water polo, and in polo we have 4 players. The term cannon is used in, like it is associated to billiards and snooker. King Cup is associated with, it is associated with air racing. Hima Das is associated with which game? She is an Indian athlete, she is associated with athletics. With which game Nehru Trophy is related? So it is related with boat racing, and the term punter or jockey is used in horse racing. So with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of RRB NTPC exam. For that, you only need to Google search CrackU previous year paper, and we also provide free mock test for RRB NTPC exam. For that, Google search CrackU free mock test RRB NTPC, or you can also download our app. Till then, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.